Here's an app Perpay shop and build credit. So then you can just type get and double click to install. And then here you have that 5,000 ratings. Perpay is the all-in-one shopping app, making it easy to buy favorite brands, pay over time, and build credit along the way. $1,000 average spending power, small payments from your paycheck, average credit score increase of 36 points, no fees, interest, or credit check. We're dedicated to build simple, transparent, and inclusive financial products that improve the lives of our members. Join our community of 6+ million members today. So that's the app. Then you can just open it up, and here you have that. And then you can just log in, or you can sign up here like that. So first, last name, email, password, confirm password, and then you can just join Perpay. It's not possible to sign up with Google or Apple ID. So there you have it.